So my favorite pasta is teaming up with my favorite trashy food to make the first ever, with the help of Sir Kensington's mayo, chicken fingers, Cacio e Pepe. All right, so if you've ever had Cacio e Pepe, it's really 3 main ingredients: pasta, cheese, and black pepper. So that's kind of the inspo for this dish right now. I've got some chicken tenders, and I'm just gonna salt these pretty liberally. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to bread them. Now, normally when you bread something, you use a little bit of flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. But I've got a little hack with you. What we're gonna do is take a couple of heaping spoonfuls of the mayo, and it's just the perfect texture. If you think about it, it kind of acts like a glue, so you don't need to get out the eggs, you don't need to get the flour, you just kind of do this nice sheen, this jacket. So I'm just kind of tossing it through, really simple, cool. So that's looking great. We're gonna let those sit, and then we're gonna kind of make these breadcrumbs sing. So I'm gonna add a ton of fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and then you really wanna go heavy with the black pepper. So lots of black pepper, and then just kind of get in there and mix it all together. You can even taste the breadcrumb. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get a pan on a medium-high heat, lots of olive oil. So now I'm gonna just drag these chicken fingers right in. And you don't need to kind of like pat them totally into the actual breadcrumbs. You just kind of wanna toss them through, make sure that every little bit is coated. This is one of my faves, especially for game day. Come on, baby. You know this is gonna be good. Coating is doing its thing. These are looking great. A couple more. By the way, I love these little skinny tongs. They're kind of like chopsticks on steroids. Take one up in the air and then away from you, lay it into the hot oil. And kind of work my route around the clock in the pan. That way I know which one is the first one to turn. All right, so a chicken finger without a dipping sauce, kind of blasphemy, let's be honest, right? So I am gonna use Sir Kensington's Ranch, which by the way is just bomb on its own, but we are gonna give it a little bit of love just to go with the theme of the actual chicken finger itself. So I'm using about a half a cup of Sir Kensington's Ranch, which I love, but then just to kind of tie back to the actual chicken fingers, I'm gonna load it up with Parmesan and peppercorns. And we're gonna make kind of a Parmesan peppercorn dipping sauce. Let's check the chicken. Ready? We start at the top. Oh yeah. When you look at the chicken finger, at first thought you might think it looks dark, and it does look dark. It's the breadcrumb, it's the cheese, most importantly, it's the black pepper. But that's what gives this chicken tender personality. So you want to take these bad boys off. Look at the crust on this, right? Ooh, that looks insane. Awesome. And then you take that sauce with the Sir Kensington's Ranch, you just kind of pile it, and you can see the black pepper and the cheese right in there. And that looks so good. Honestly, this is the kind of food that I crave. Two of my favorites, Cacio e Pepe and chicken fingers, all in one.